Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes. Millions of mangoes. Mangoes for free. Millions of mangoes. Mangoes for me. Carport mall update. Mall's almost done. Smooth coated yesterday. Smoothed all the block. We just smoothed the top today. The pillars. Smooth them out. Get it ready for paint. Work on that well. Get it all smoothed out. Make it look nice. Paint it. Probably gravel this area since it's underneath mangoes. Hard to get any grass to grow under a mango. Anything to grow under a mango. Nothing wants to grow under a mango tree. Yeah. Got all my metal. Painted the white side, the inside of it, with acrylic roof guard by Boyson, because it's not really painted very well as it comes off the die, the roller. So I'll give it a paint for the inside, and the outside I'll paint later. It's all the sheets to finish the carport. Roof and sides. Yeah. Go have a quick look at the carport. More mangoes pulling the tree limbs down. Sorry for all the construction mess. Building this security wall here. Got trenches dug. Putting a wall in. Lots of construction, lots of mess. But making progress. So yeah, all that metal that was laying in the field, we painted it, laid it out there to dry in the sun. It's going to be the roof and sides of this carport for a car, for 2 vehicles and a boat, little boat. Okay. Sun's coming up. Saturday, the 14th. Ian, bro, morning. Okay, more again later. Bye-bye.